Most producers rely on the same Ableton stock plugins and end up sounding the same. If you want kicks that cut through the mix and hit harder in the club, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to turn plain kick samples into punchy, professional techno weapons using Ableton Saturator and 7 pro plugins that seriously upgrade your sound all in about 5 minutes. I'm starting with 2 layered kick samples. Here's how they sound before and after processing. Now listen to how that processed kick punches through the full mix. I'm doing some quick envelope shaping in Maschine, but if you don't have it, no problem. You can do the exact same thing in Ableton Sampler. Also, the track you're hearing is an F-sharp minor. This will help you understand how I tune and EQ the kick. Just follow the on-screen steps, you'll get the sound in about 5 minutes. And if you're into sound design tricks like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. Let's jump in. chain is in place, go back to Devastor 2 and make some subtle tweaks while listening in the context with the mix. You can also fine-tune the EQ. It's a lot easier once you have a rough mix to work with. And that's it. If you've got any questions or want to share your results, drop a comment below. I always read them. Now click here to see how D16 Devastor 2 can take your techno tracks to the next level, or check out this video to learn how to turn any Serum preset into a hypnotic techno lead that commands attention. If this helped your mix, give it a like and consider subscribing for more quick pro tips like this. See you in the next one.